Hello, cookies, and welcome to another glorious episode of Cooking with Deni, where I'm Deni, your host, and I'm going to be unboxing something super exciting. I don't know if you guys are going to feel my excitement, but I'm pretty fucking excited about it, okay? So, anyway, just hang in there and see what's happening, okay? All right, so I don't know. Oh.
Okay, it's upside down.
Oh. Do y'all see that? Look. It's the limited edition Ninja Slushi machine. Limited edition and what color? What color? Purple. Purple! Can y'all believe they made purple? See, this is why I never had the Ninja. I had the Iceman. The Iceman was about $200 less, and it didn't really do the liquor. I couldn't get it to do liquor. It didn't get cold enough. But the Ninja, I wanted that one so bad, but now I know why I didn't get it, because they were going to come out with purple, and God knows I wanted purple, because he just knows me so well, because I'm one of his favorites. So anyway, now I've got the purple one. We're going to unbox this and see what we can make today. Now, I don't want to cut myself on camera, so hold on 1 minute. Please hold. I hope it ain't upside down or nothing. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. She is... Oh, my goodness. Okay. All right. There's instructions. And what is, oh, this is the little tray, oh my God, y'all, look at the tray. I don't know why people get so excited about stuff like this, but they do. Let's see. Okay, so I'm thinking that's the side. Let's see. Amazing. Okay, hold. Let me get that out of the way. Oh, this thing heavy. Okay. That. Oh, I hope that's supposed to come off because I done knocked it off. Anyway, let's see what we got. Oh. Y'all know that's fabulous. You know that's fabulous. Look at her. Oh, and you know I'm finna bling her out too, so stay tuned for that. But this I had knocked off, so I guess that comes off. Okay. For the best slush, scan below to get started. Okay, so we're gonna have to hang up with y'all eventually and scan below, but hold on. All right, so she's all unboxed. I'm gonna take all the stickers off and then wipe her down a little bit, but we cannot use her, come in, because we have to let her sit for 2.5 hours so she could settle, and then we can use her. So we're finna follow the directions. We're not finna do what y'all do and don't be following directions and wonder why it don't work right. We're not doing that, okay? So we're gonna come back to her in a couple of hours. We're gonna make something yummy. All right, bye. All set up. She has her little spot next to her older cousin, Iceman. All right, so we're gonna start. She's all clean and ready to go. So we're gonna pour. Let's hope we don't spill it all over. All right. So this is a little Minute Maid mango orange punch. We're going punch today. We'll try spike slushy another day. Okay. So we pour that to the Mark Field line. All right, we're gonna shut it. So we'll come over here and we just push the on button and we push the slush button. And there we go. Look at her go in all her purple gloriousness. Come on, girl. All right. And voila, it's ready. Oh, it's so beautiful. Let's see. Okay, it's dripping out. I don't know if it's supposed to. Oh, there we go. Oh, I didn't push it down enough. Okay, user error. All right. Oh. Okay. Let's see. Do you need a top? Why not? Got them. Why not use them? And do we need a straw? Do we want a big straw or a little straw? We got choices in this Josh. Ooh, let's see. All right, there she goes. Out of the purpleness.